What's the hottest way to earn money right now aside from earning real hard cash? If your answer is Bitcoin, then you're definitely right. Today's video is all about earning Bitcoin. If you're not familiar with this cryptocurrency, don't be intimidated because that's what I'm here for. I will be teaching you how to earn, or more accurately, mine Bitcoin easily through this technique. As a brief introduction, Bitcoin, as I've mentioned earlier, is a cryptocurrency, which means it is a virtual currency that was programmed to act as a form of payment, just like money, but outside the control of any entity. It is traded and distributed through a decentralized system called blockchain. This principle then removes the need for the involvement of third parties in financial transactions. For the sake of simplicity, Bitcoin is basically just like digital money. You can use it to buy products as well as services. In fact, many companies and online shops accept Bitcoin as payment nowadays. Bitcoin has become the most well-known form of cryptocurrency in the world and has since inspired the development of other cryptocurrencies. There are three primary ways to get Bitcoin. First, you can buy Bitcoin using real fiat money. Second, you can get paid with Bitcoin. And third, Bitcoin can be created by mining it using a phone or a computer. We will focus on the third way for this video. If at this point you're starting to get confused, there is no need to worry because it's about to get easier from here. So if you're interested to learn more about Bitcoin and how to mine it using this easy technique, just keep on watching. Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed up-to-date and surely doable at home, so you can earn money anytime. So if that's what you're looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know what next money-generating trick we've got up our sleeves. You could also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. But for now, let's go back to the video. Today, I will be showing you several apps which are deemed to be the most profitable Bitcoin apps you can find as of today. These apps are all easy to use and friendly for beginners. Also, I will be showing you how to use these apps efficiently to earn the most amount of Bitcoin you can. You don't have to be an expert in cryptocurrency in order to earn profit with Bitcoin. All you need is a mobile device, an internet connection, and you will be able to access these apps I'm about to show you. Now, the first website I will show you is Coinbase.com. I will be introducing you to this website because Coinbase is a sort of wallet for Bitcoin which you can set up in order to collect and store your Bitcoin from all the websites and applications that we will be using today. Best part? It's completely free. So to begin, just click on the Get Started button right here. And you will immediately be redirected to a page which will ask for your basic details like your full name, your email, and a password. Make sure that the email you entered is valid because you will need to verify your email after signing up. Then upon verification, you will also be verifying your phone number. Again, make sure that it is a valid number. They may ask you for credit card details and you can choose to enter your details there. Their purpose is primarily for those who will be buying and selling crypto through real money. But since we won't be doing that, you can choose to skip this part. Before I show you the other apps we will be using today, I want to ask where you've heard of Bitcoin and why are you interested in it? Comment your responses down below. I'd love to hear from my viewers, especially about where they gather their information. So if you're done commenting, let's get on with the video. Moving on to the next app, we've got CryptoBrowser.site. It's an app that is available for both iOS and Android devices. Plus, it's also available as a software on your computer. The app is actually called CryptoTab Browser Mobile, so go ahead and download that on your mobile phone. It's one of my favorite crypto apps because it allows you to make income passively. There's no need for you to actively use the app because it is basically a Bitcoin miner, which means that if you let the app run in the background, it will generate Bitcoin for you automatically. Awesome, right? The best part about this is that you don't need to watch any ads or complete any micro tasks like answering surveys and whatnot. You can simply leave CryptoTab running and it will start generating Bitcoin for you. As I've said, CryptoTab is a browser, which means it will feel and act like Google Chrome. It also uses the same extensions as Google Chrome, so you won't get disoriented with using it at all. You can also sync your devices if you will use it across multiple mobile phones or computers. So in order to start earning, just download the mobile app on your phone. Like I mentioned, it doesn't matter if you use an iOS or an Android device because it works for both. Now there are two versions of the app, the free one and the pro one. I don't recommend using the pro just yet because if you're a beginner, it really isn't wise to start with the pro. You can use pro after you've earned some money with Bitcoin so that you can reinvest it to gain more. But of course, this decision is up to you if you want to start investing already. Once you've installed it, you can let it run in the background as you use other applications. It's just passive income from there. I will show you the next apps and websites in a little while. But before that, I'd like to ask for your insights on Bitcoin and cryptocurrency in general. Do you think it will be the future of finance? Digital money is booming nowadays, so I think we're not far ahead from that future. How about you? What do you think? Comment down your responses below for me to learn more about you. Now the third app I want to show you is featurepoints.com. Just like the previous app, it is available for both Android and iOS. According to their website, since 2012, they have paid their users a cumulative amount of $5.8 million. Based on my experience, they really pay their users their due, so it's 100% legitimate and trusted. So on this app, you will be tasked to complete surveys and perform microtasks in order for you to earn points which you can later redeem as actual money. The unique feature about this app is that you are going to download some apps on your mobile phone. If you hit a certain amount in your balance, you will be able to redeem your money. Most importantly, you can redeem your points as Bitcoin and they will send it to you straight into your Bitcoin wallet. Not only that, but they also pay you for every referral you make. So if you refer your friends to this app, you get 50% out of that. This means that you can make the most out of this method and maximize your earning potential just by referring your friends and other people to the app who are also interested in making easy money online. To start with this app, you can do so by signing up on the website. Again, they will ask for an email address and a password. Or you can also just download it on your mobile phones and sign up from there. And there you have it. I suggest you give these apps a go because like I said, Bitcoin may be the future of finance. So give yourself a head start and begin earning your Bitcoin now. And that brings us to the end of our video. Thank you so much for staying until the end. If you love content such as this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell because I've got more videos in store for you. Hit the like button and comment what you want to hear from our channel next. Good luck and see you in our next video.